This could be the car for you. The 2019 Ford Mustang. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take control of the track or the scenic route in the iconic Mustang. Its high-performance acceleration, balanced feel, smart tech, and crisp steering, coupled with its unmistakable, bold looks, are poised to take your driving pleasure to new heights. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, AM/FM stereo, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Life is short. Make every drive count in this fiery Mustang. The excitement begins with a test drive. We'll toss you the keys and start you on your way.